We have another example on the board. This time we have f, e base 16 plus e, d 9 base 16. E is 14. 14 plus 9 is equal 23. And because 23 is greater than 15, I'm supposed to subtract the base. 23 minus 16 is equal 7. That's why I'm supposed to write 7 over here. And because I performed the subtraction, I'm supposed to carry of 1 to the next column. 1 plus 15, because f is 15, is 16. 16 plus d is 13. 16 plus 13 is 29. That's why I'm supposed to perform the subtraction, because 29 is greater than 15. 29 minus 16 is equal 13. 13 in hexadecimal is represented by letter D. And because I performed the subtraction, I'm supposed to carry of 1 to the next column. 1 plus f is equal 16. 16 plus 14 is equal 30. So again, 30 is greater than 15. That's why I'm supposed to subtract 30 minus 16. 30 minus 16 is equal 14. 14 in hexadecimal system is represented by letter E. That's why I'm going to write E over here. And because I performed the subtraction, I'm supposed to carry of 1 to the next column. That's why I have 1 over here. My answer for this addition is 1e d 7 base 16. This time we're supposed to perform the subtraction of the hexadecimal numbers. Let's take a look what we're supposed to do. We have 62 base 16 minus 21 base 16. This problem is very simple. We simply subtract 1 from 2 is equal 1, and 6 minus 2 is equal 4 base 16. So this is the solution to my problem.